zwithu ndi pfha zwi to engedzea ḓuvha na ḓuvha a zwi fhungudzei ende a thi vhoni uri hu ḓo vha na ḓuvha ḽe nda ḓo swika nda vha ndi tshi khou ri lo fhungudzea kana lo fhela a ri vhone zwiṅwe. Ndi ḓi dzulela u muvhudza zwori arali lwanga lwa fhela ri ḓo shumisa lwawe, arali lwawe lwa fhela ri ḓo shumisa lwanga. Ahuna u fhambana, ri ḓo fhambanywa nga lufu.
Nothing will divide us because I know that with you I will always have strength. Without you, my life has no meaning.
Do you promise to love her, to honor her, to cherish and protect her, forsaking all others and holding only unto her, as long as you live?
I do.
I do. Zwivhuya, my loving husband. Today I take my place as your wife, standing right here before God, in front of our pastor and our parents, family and friends. I just want to tell you that I love you so much. You have always been my reason back then, now and forever. You strengthen my weakness, bring focus to my dreams, and drive me to become a better person than I was yesterday. When our way becomes difficult, I promise to stand by you and uplift you so that through our union we can accomplish more than we could do alone. I promise to always love you irregardless. I promise to always be submissive to you. I promise to always respect you. You'll always remain a priority to me all the days of our lives. Here and now I pledge my life to yours, that your dreams become my dreams. No matter where life leads me, I know that as long as you are there, that's where I am meant to be. I love you.